right, so what's going on now?
This is a Milli Meal.
So explain what a Milli Meal actually is, like the significance of it.
So a Milli Meal became a thing because I wanted to give my fans on socials a gift. So every time I got 1 million followers, I said I was gonna make a meal. But little did I know that I was gonna get 1 million followers every 3 days. And usually, Manny will come up with a rational idea that's so boring. So I have to like make it amazing. So he said that we should do a ice cream sandwich with the chocolate chip cookie being the top and the bottom. But I said anybody would do that, right? So what I was thinking was to take the chocolate chip cookie, slam it here, and then we're gonna take some Twix and put it inside the chocolate chip cookie. It's gonna taste like a movie.
How often do you consume the entirety of these?
Maybe once or twice.
Okay.
The entirety is crazy.
Yeah.
But the best dessert that I've ever had was the fried pancake taco ice cream. It was the best I ever had. Like, bar none, not even close. Nothing came close to that.
All right, well, maybe we'll surpass it today.
And I've had, like, Gordon Ramsay desserts. All right, this is kind of fun. Me and Manny had a cook-off one time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, Manny's the actual chef.
And who won?
Come on, Graham. That's why they pay you the big bucks, man. You ask the hard questions, man. I look like I know what I'm doing.
Wait, and this is...
It's freestyle.
This aligns with the diet, right?
Oh, for sure.
Okay.
I just can't eat anything else. We're gonna do the winning idea. Can't rush perfection, bro.
And what culinary school did you say you went to again?
Me? School of Hard Knocks.
I just want to make sure it's not bad because I wouldn't want you guys to ruin the dessert, you know?
For sure. You always forget how good a Twix is, man. Watch, let me show you. 3, 2, and 1. Wow. Look at that, Graham. Graham, look at that. Oh, no. It's not cooked yet.
Yeah, I know.
Ice cream time.
All right, so what's the vision here?
Cold Stone.
Cold Stone.
Yeah.
And what does that mean? You're just mixing it all in?
Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Right? This is the best day of my life. Is that it?
You want more chocolate chips?
Yeah. all right. I think we're good.
Do you think it's gonna be good?
It's gonna be good as hell.
Yeah.
For sure. Sheesh!
Oh.
Who did this one? So I feel like this should be the inside because you want the pretty part on the outside, right?
Yeah.
So this will be our bottom?
Yep.
Okay.
And are you generally the top or the bottom?
That's crazy.
Sorry. You teed it up.
That's crazy. No, he didn't. Not at all. What?
Have you started thinking about a name for this?
This is a Paduki.
A Paduki. And that thing's going on top of that?
Yeah. All right, we gotta do this last part real quick. Ready? Can you just get a pan all around it? I'm gonna make it look like I'm cutting it. Ready?
Oh, okay, yeah.
3, 2, go ahead.
Anybody else getting hungry? Your last one had 55 million?
Yeah, that was 10 million ago. Okay. 3, 2, come. Oh my God. Thank you for 55 million.
How'd you do?
You really want to stick to the ice cream and the cookie.
What did you got? Too many of the gummies?
I got too much gummy in that one.
That's good.
We did it. Here, 1 billion calories.